Good morning, everybody. It is Embarkation Day, and we're going to be getting on a ship, the Celebrity Reflection, today. So come along with us as we get on this ship and explore today, as we head out tonight to Key West tomorrow. So come along with us for this Embarkation Day from Fort Lauderdale. Nice little pool area out here. Nice little area for dinner, breakfast. They got a full bar. Speaking of full bar, we went to the elbow room last night. Had a lot of fun. Had a good time. Lots of people dancing and drinking and lots of fun. And we had lots of fun there last night, so finally got back to it. Some people have Coke machines. Some people have champagne dispensers machines. Interesting. We got a free drink comp on our room, so we got a painkiller this morning. Disney Dream right there.
In 3/4 of a mile, take a slight right on Southeast 19th Avenue. Take a slight right on Southeast, then take a slight left. Take a slight left. Then around at the
We're gonna go on this one in January right here. Our rooms are back there on that back side of the ship. Alright. See you on the other side. Alright, we have reached the cruise port terminal. We're gonna go through security. We'll see you on the side. Ready to have some fun. Oh, you didn't get on video. There's Elisa. Spain. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have a good time this week. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog here today as we sail away from Fort Lauderdale to the ship. To the ship, let's go. This is Cruise Port 18. Normally, last time we sailed out, we were in the other one, but this is this one. Lots of people. All right. We are heading on the ship. Celebrity Reflection. We're going to Key West, Benjamin, Bahamas, and a day at sea. So, ready to have some fun. First look. Celebrity Cruises. And we're on. Mustard station. Get our mustard station out of the way automatically. I would recommend doing it right away.
Not a cruise ship, of course he's happy.
All right, we're in 9382.
Now we're ready to explore.
Ooh.
And remember, in case of an emergency, where? Follow. Find. Where?
Look at
Always wear your
those.
wristband. Follow. Stay calm. Don't hide. Follow your family. Find.
TV.
If you're not with your family, find
Nice
any crew
little
member,
couch.
and they will bring you to your assembly station. Have a wonderful vacation. Bye, Lila. Bye, Mika.
And here is our room with a view. All right. There is the jewel of the seas. It's got a refrigerator. We've already stocked a little bit. Bathroom. Hello there.
You brought your cube, Chris?
Yes. Shower. We Alicia decorated the door here for us. All the way down. And then next to us is someone with a birthday.
Her name's Teresa.
Happy birthday, Teresa. It's a tree suspended in the air. It goes all the way down. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up. That's cool. right there. We'll explore this whole place. There's cool sculptures here. There's the Jewel of the Seas. We'll be going on that in January out of Puerto Rico. As of now. And then we'll be backing out that way and then out to sea. Actually, we won't be backing out because the back of the ship is right there. Nice little lunch, little fancy lunch at the Concierge lunch at the main dining area. Only for Concierge people that you have on your card here. But I had the raised beef. It's pretty good. And I had a salad and some weird dessert, which I didn't like. So good time. So the dining room. Yeah, we had just had our lunch. And now we're just kind of sitting out here in the back of the ship. So you can see the Fort Lauderdale airport. We landed yesterday over there. And then this is the Jewel of the Seas right here. You saw it just a little bit ago while we were down low, but this is an outside shot of it. This is supposedly the one we're going on in January. I like this little back area right here. Nice. It looks like there's some rain moving in too, so hopefully the rain doesn't spoil our sail away party. Got a putt-putt area here on the side of the ship. Pretty cool. Nice layer you can watch this TV or whatever. I guess there's another area place you can eat too over here. Crazy little out here. Here's the pool. Got some hot tubs there. 4 hot tubs. Big pool there, and I got a. This is the regular pool, and then there's an adult section pool. No kids allowed. Through there is where we'll head out to sea. Great little view. Going to the front of the ship. Front of the ship. There's the Disney ship that we saw coming in right there. Look at that storm right there. That's pretty cool. We felt a little bit of it on the other side of the boat. The ship, huh? We're all done with the mustard station drills, and now they're doing the alert. They're doing the alert stuff. There we go. Dark skies over there. Hope we don't have nothing on sail away. Another view from up top here where the pool is. And this is the Mass Grill. They serve hamburgers, hot dogs. They also have ice cream, where I got this ice cream cone over there on the other side. The Mass Grill. Haven't tried it yet, but we'll this week. Pulling out. Big storm coming. It's about to pour like anything. Look at that wall cloud, man. That's awesome shot right there. Got the lightning in this storm. Look at that cloud. That is awesome. Look at that. That is so cool. This is awesome looking. I'll be right there. Here's a look at that storm there on the radar. That looks pretty cool. All right, I go inside. Like we moved into the Serenity area where it's gonna be covered, but it's about to pour down rain upstairs. We're trying to get, I don't know if he's gonna go as far out as possible but you cannot see land for sure. Normally you can see the land right here, but that storm is taking over. Slowly getting here. Sail away was okay, like big thunderstorm, and we had to leave early, left an hour early than normal. Luckily everybody was done. So tonight we're going to the steakhouse, Tuscon Grille, and they're running a special today, all you can eat for 40 bucks. We're gonna eat till we're stuffed. So, ready? Head to dinner here pretty soon.
Pop that out.
So this is the view from the back of our room.
Oh, I got 3 texts on there.
And it is pouring down rain right now. We're in the middle of a rainstorm. And we're the balcony is uncovered, so womp womp womp. Anyway, there you go. We're eating at the Tuscon Grille tonight. There's the all you can eat for $40. Sitting here, back of the ship, like we had a view of ours. There's another cruise ship. It's the Norwegian Sky, possibly? We'll have to check on the cruise mapper. So at lunch today, they came to our table and they said that there's a special for sail away, so 30%, 40% off? 30% off of the original cost, so, and it's all you can eat. So there's the starters, and salads and soups, and homemade pastas. Everything looks good. Filet mignon. So looking forward to eating here. All right, Tuscon Grille was really good. Got a good special on it too. Had filet mignon. Well, first we had meatballs. The house meatballs actually was served on the spaghetti as well. Had salad, Caesar salad for that. And then also we had, they're making fun of me for talking to my phone. So, and then we had filet mignon and spaghetti and meatballs. Yes, don't judge me. It was all you can eat. Come on. You know you would do it too. Anyway.
Talk to your menu.
Yep. And for desserts, coffees, drinks. And here's your selection of desserts. You can get all this for one price, which ain't bad. So, really good though. I got the spumoni donuts with ice cream. Spain got some lemon cheesecake.
Limoncello.
Whatever. And what did you get?
Creme brulee, but pistachio creme brulee, and then tiramisu.
There it is. Dessert, yes. Great meal. Recommend it when you're here on the Celebrity Reflection. Going on up. On the back of our balcony, there's the lights of Miami over there. Zoom in. I don't know if those are towers or planes. All right, y'all. Our embarkation day comes to an end with overlooking the moon over the Atlantic Ocean. Tomorrow, Key West. Still can see Miami over there. Had a good time tonight. We saw a comedian and saw some silent disco that wasn't so silent. Went and had some pizza at the cafe, late night pizza. So tomorrow, Key West. Looking forward to hanging out in Key West. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as we bring you all your sports needs and travel needs as we continue our cruise this summer. So thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow in Key West. Bye guys.